Beyond snoring, how sleep apnea may be eroding muscle strength. New medical research suggests that obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, is far more invasive than a simple breathing disruption. A recent study indicates that the condition may be actively damaging skeletal muscle quality, potentially accelerating physical decline and increasing the risk of injury. The hidden impact on physical health. While most people associate sleep apnea with daytime fatigue or cardiovascular issues, the findings from Ben Gurion University of the Negev and Soroka University Medical Center reveal a deeper physiological threat. The study, published in Sleep and Breathing, identifies a strong link between OSA and reduced skeletal muscle quality. Obstructive sleep apnea occurs when the upper airway repeatedly collapses during sleep, leading to interrupted breathing and significant drops in blood oxygen levels. While the immediate effects are felt in the lungs and heart, this research suggests the damage extends to the muscular system. Why this matters? The implications of weakened muscles are profound, especially as the population ages. Reduced muscle integrity can lead to increased fracture risk when combined with bone density loss, diminished physical strength and mobility, loss of independence in older age. How the research was conducted. The research team, led by Prof. Ariel Tarasiuk and Prof. Ilan Shelef, utilized an efficient and non-invasive method to gather data. Rather than subjecting patients to new, unnecessary radiation, the team analyzed existing CT scans that had been performed for other clinical reasons. By examining these scans, researchers were able to evaluate bone density and muscle composition simultaneously. The data revealed a consistent pattern. Individuals with OSA tend to have lower skeletal muscle density and altered muscle indices compared to healthy sleepers. This approach highlights a significant trend in modern diagnostics. Using opportunistic screening, leveraging existing medical imaging to catch secondary health issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. Moving toward proactive diagnosis, the study builds upon previous work by the same group, which had already established a link between sleep apnea and decreased bone density. Together, these findings paint a picture of a systemic condition that affects the body's structural framework. Experts involved in the study are calling for a shift in how medical professionals approach sleep disorders. Obstructive sleep apnea is much more than snoring. Without early diagnosis and treatment, it is a disease that can lead to fractures, reduced muscle function, and even loss of independence. Prof. Ariel Tarasiuk key recommendations for the medical community. Integrate imaging and sleep data, using routine CT scans as a screening tool for muscle and bone health. Targeted prevention, identifying high-risk groups by combining sleep data with existing medical records. Structured follow-ups, ensuring patients diagnosed with OSA receive comprehensive treatment plans that address both respiratory and musculoskeletal health. Conclusion: this research underscores that sleep apnea is a systemic disorder that threatens more than just rest. It may actively degrade the body's physical strength and structural integrity. Early detection through routine imaging could be a vital step in preventing long-term physical disability.